the emotion, the author want to show what idea to the world from this cartoon.
Well,
What kind of idea? Kind of negative idea or too negative or middle?
Well, it's ideally I was hoping to have something that was poetic about physics and about metaphysics, or maybe not metaphysics per se. I guess I wanted to do basically something that was poetic and lyrical about physics and cosmology. But if that means it's a negative term, then maybe I am not giving people a good introduction in many cases to cosmology. I don't know.
Yeah, this is what I discussed with John, and
we might be doing cosmology a disservice.
The complexity, here the complex system. The second law of thermodynamics says that all complex systems inevitably became disorder. And this what I translate the word complexity here. ច្បាប់ទី2នៃthermodynamics និយាយថាប្រព័ន្ធដែលស្មុគស្មាញចាស់ stress ទាំងឡាយនឹងបញ្ចប់ដោយអត់របៀបរៀបរយ because here you know some modern materials like TV in library.
Yep.
And you talk about complexity and the law of thermodynamics. And even TV or computer, yeah, you are correct. It will inevitably end up be disordered after you use it for a while.
I think there's already a lot of disorder on TV, especially reality TV shows.
Right. So, YouTube too.
We'll see how this turns out.
Yeah. So, if you want to be positive, I consider if you use another word like fascinated or sophisticated system. This TV is a sophisticated system, but at the end, inevitably you still have to say disordered anyway, because even TV will become disordered, even if how sophisticated it is. So it expresses the meaning of negative.